Hello everyone, welcome to Alora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this stir fry veggies and paneer. This came out really well, to definitely try out this. Take 4 teaspoon of oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seed, add half of an onion, cut it thin and fry it in high flame for 2 minutes. Add cauliflower half cup, beans 1/4 cup, carrot half cup, green peas 1/4 cup and cook them in medium flame for 5 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of beetroot, add salt as per your taste, pepper powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon and cook them in medium flame. Okay, we do not need to overcook this. This will be little crunchy. Add paneer 1/4 cup, then cook them in medium flame for 2 minutes. And this one I am making for 3 people, 2 adult and 1 kid, so as per your need you can reduce or increase the quantity. Add garlic powder 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon and some coriander powder 1/4 teaspoon, and this much masala should be enough. Add chopped coriander and then mix it for another 2 minutes in medium flame, and our delicious veggies and paneer is ready to serve. This goes out really well with chapati. Do definitely try out this recipe and let me know your comment in the feedback section. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.